Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to send Jotform leads to Mailercloud automatically. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So in this particular automation we are using Jotform. So Jotform is a form building software application. So in place of Jotform we can also use Google Forms, Paperform, Typeform or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is Mailercloud, which is an email marketing software. So in place of Mailercloud, we can also use Pabbly email marketing, MailerLite, MailChimp, or any other email marketing software. So the idea here is that you have created a form using your Jotform account. Now you want that whenever a customer fills that particular form, automatically the customer should be added as a new contact to your Mailercloud account. For this, we need to create a connection between Jotform and Mailercloud, so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the customer is added to your Mailercloud account. So in order to create a connection between Jotform and Mailercloud, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create a connection between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer whenever the form is filled on the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new contact will be added to your Mailercloud account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Jotform and Mailercloud using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on sign up free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Jotform to Mailercloud integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to send Jotform leads to Mailercloud automatically. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Jotform. In the trigger event, we have to select new response. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read it. Open your form in the form builder and click on the settings tab. Go to the integrations, search for webhook and paste the above URL in the add webhook field. So I'll just copy this webhook URL from here. I'll take you to the Jotform where I have already created some forms. Here I'm just going to use this basic form, contact form, where I have just 0 submissions over here. I'm just going to click on edit form. So in this particular form, I have taken the basic fields of the customer like first name, last name, email address and the phone number. If you want to add some more fields to this particular form, click on this plus sign add form element and you can add the fields as per your requirement. So now we have to create an integration between this particular form and Pabbly Connect so that whenever the form is filled, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data. For that, come to the settings tab. And here we can find integrations option. Click on it. And here we have to search for webhooks. Click on webhooks. Now it is asking to add a webhook. So here we have to paste the same webhook which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, the webhook URL, and simply click on complete integration. Okay, the integration is ready. Let's click on finish. Okay, and here we can see a tick mark on the webhooks option. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form on the name of a customer. So let's move back to Jotform. Here we have to click on publish option. And here we can find a link to share. So you can share this particular link with your customers to get the form filled, or you can use this particular link to embed it on our web page, okay, so that you can capture the form responses from the customers. So we are going to open this particular link in a new tab to fill up the details. Let's give the first name of the customer as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com, and let's add the phone number. Click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, so the form has been filled. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details related to the form submission are captured over here. Here we can find the form title as contact form. And when we scroll down, we can find the first name of the customer, last name, email address and the phone number. So now we want that using these details of the customer, automatically a contact should get added to the Mailercloud contact list. So come to this action window and here in the choose application, let us find Mailercloud. In the action event, we have to select add contact to list. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. You can find API key under your Mailercloud account. Navigate to accounts, then integrations and click on API integrations. So I'll directly take you to my Mailercloud account. So this is the dashboard of my Mailercloud account. Here we have to come to the settings option. Click on account. And here we can find the integrations option. Click on it. And here we can find API integrations. Click on it. And here we can find the API key. So we have to simply copy this API key from here. And if we have to paste the same API key over here in Pabbly Connect. Let us paste it and click on save. And now we can see that the Mailercloud account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Mailercloud account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Mailercloud account. Now here we have to select the list name. So I have already created some lists over here in my Mailercloud account. So I'll just move to the audience section and we are moving to the list option. So here I have already created some lists. So I want all the leads to be captured in this particular list named Jotform leads. Okay. And here I have just 3 contacts in this particular list. I'm just going to show you the list name. Sorry, the contacts of the list. Sayank, Harsha and Anil. These 3 other contacts were already added to my Jotform leads. So now I want to add some more customers or some more leads to this particular list. So we have to select the same list name over here. That is Jotform leads. Here we have to select the email address, first name, last name. So we have already got these details through the form submission. So we are going to map all these details now. We are going to map the email address from Jotform. And this was the email address. Here we have to select the contact type. It is an active contact or you can select it as per your requirement. I'm just keeping it as an active contact. Here we have to give the first name. So the first name was Adam. Here we have to give the middle name. We don't have any middle name, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Here we have to give the last name. The last name was Smith. Okay, here we have to add the phone number. So this was the phone number. We don't have the address details, so I'm just leaving it as blank. If you have all these details, you can fill it over here. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means a new contact is added to our Mailercloud contact list. Let's check it. We have to refresh it. Let's move to the contacts. And here we can find a new contact named Adam Smith. Let's click on view. And here we can find the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, his email address along with the phone number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time, whether our integration is working in the real time or not. For that, we have to go to the Jotform once again and we have to open the form in a new tab so that we can fill in the form on the name of some other customer. So let's give the name as Avinash, last name as Jan, email address as janavi123@gmail.com, and let's add the mobile number. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you, your submission has been received. So the form has been filled. Now we have to check our Mailercloud contact list. We have to refresh it. Let's move to the contacts over here. And here we can find a new contact named Avinash. We have to just click on view. And here we can find the profile information, first name as Avinash, last name as Jan, email address and the phone number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and all the Jotform customers are getting saved to our Mailercloud contact list automatically. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Jotform and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission, and using those details of the customer, automatically a new contact is added to your Mailercloud contact list. And in this way we have created a successful integration between Jotform and Mailercloud using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.